Hola, ¿cómo están ustedes? I'm just here quickly with a very, hopefully brief video, really kind of asking for all of your opinions, and I'll give you the question in a minute, but be aware you can get back to me through email or Remind or Canvas. But what Senor Sanchez and Senorita Punter and I are looking for at this point in time of the year is information regarding subjects that are affecting you as teenagers today or that have affected you, of course, prior to the start of everything else in March, so that we can hopefully make the last couple of weeks of school more student based and focused on what you are interested in doing. So this is kind of a first step just to let us know what you would be interested in. Potentially. So if there are a couple of things that come into your mind, 2 or 3 different things, please get them to me. Once again, either through email, Remind, or Canvas. And then what we're planning to do is consolidate whatever information we get and then make a survey and hopefully choose the top few topics for us to focus on the last couple of weeks in school in June. I hope that you're all doing well, stay safe, and I hope that you're getting outside to be in the sunshine a bit. Miss you all. Bye-bye.